And as concern over the accidents on our roads now continues, statistics have been released by the National Transport and Safety Authority detailing the number of fatalities on the roads this year as compared to the number of fatalities on the roads same time December 2016. So let's take a look at the statistics here with regard to pedestrians. In the year 2017, by December, 1,005 pedestrians have died on our roads, and this is a slight decrease from the 1,037 pedestrians who died on our roads same time this year in 2016. We're seeing there a variance of about 3% decrease in that year. When it comes to drivers, in 2017, 295 drivers have lost their lives on the roads, a slight decrease compared to 332 drivers who lost their lives same time this year in 2016, a decrease there of about 11% in the number of drivers' fatalities. When it comes to passengers on our roads here, different calibers or capacities of passengers, 685 passengers lost their lives in 2017 as compared to 683 last year. So an increase there by 2 people and 0.2% in the number of passengers there, according to the National Transport and Safety Authority. We also have pillion passengers and pedal cyclists also on this list. In 2017, 211 pillion passengers dead as compared to 207 in 2016. So another increase there we are seeing by about 1.9%. And we also have pedal cyclists here, that is 55 who died in 2017 as opposed to 71 who died in 2016, another decrease there of 22%. Statistics there from the National Transport and Safety Authority. This